Hey! Yeah? This is the plan too?
Okay.
Pontoon.
Philip, me.
It's like a party boat.
Philip, Pete.
That one they have is
Joel.
All 5 of us are on this boat. Philip,
Daniel,
Yes,
and James are all on this boat.
We're on the boat right now. We rented the boat from the place down there. We're about to pass through there where we can actually go more than 5 miles an hour. I'm with Daniel, Joe, Pete, and James. Anything else?
We're gonna go tubing.
We got this.
And
We're gonna put 3 people on that thing.
We're putting 2 people on that thing.
3.
We'll try 3.
It's big enough.
We did
to
3
hold
last
3.
time.
Are you kidding?
Yeah, like I said, we
was
did it on the
stupid.
tiny one. So
Yeah, it was really
it
stupid.
wasn't
stupid.
fun, but
Oh, wait, film the up.
it's gonna be a lot of fun.
It's gonna be a lot of fun. Daniel's the first one in to go.
Last time we fit 3 people on the tube,
On a small tube.
and after a few minutes we started falling off, bumping into each other. And then Joe would start dragging me off with him, and then,
The last
and then we
time
would
I
all get
tried-
sucked
The
out.
last time where I was in the water with James on the tube, I forgot to tie my shorts properly. My shorts just flew right off.
Were you still trying to hold on?
Yeah, I was trying to hold on. Oh shit!
that's James right there.
I don't even know how you got your license. Freaking J-Day was going into the waves.
You want to say anything?
Damn it! Perfect.
Uh-huh.
It was a close. It almost worked.
I wish this all wasn't on camera.
Oh. Okay, not overkill on the stuff.
That's gonna be faster, dude.
That's not what you're
No,
doing.
I try to put on my.
It's sunscreen spray.
I'm trying to get it untangled.
A little more. I don't know. I think you should jump in on this side.
Swimming.
Well, who's sitting up here first? Because someone has to be sitting in the seat.
Just
Push me in now. I don't care.
All right.
You got that right. Cool.
I think I got that.
That's one.
Well, if you move around, it's not too bad.
How'd you feel, James?
Actually, it'll make it easier to get on because I'm in the front.
You guys need the towel here.
Hey! It isn't that hot out here.
Get off. Hey, hey, hey!
Well, apparently Daniel got off.
You got me?
Hold on. All right, go.
Holy shit!
Bad idea.
That's cool.
Oh my god, Pete Farley actually got in the water. Come on, Pete. Get on this thing. Then I only have the life jacket.
All right, we're out on the water. James just got back in. Daniel's about to drive, and Joe and Pete are about to go for a ride.
What is this? There or? I'll let you be the master. You guys are heavy, man! Somebody look forward!
Yeah, that way.
Somewhere over there.
Okay, Daniel.
Whose pants are those?
Joe's.
Hey, retard. Wanna go again?
Why is it recording this shit? Freaking thing needs a rope on it. Oh!
Fucker!
How do you get it over there?
Oh, dude, you got him out there too.
That was the uncomfortable thing. I'll never do that again.
All working? We could buy one of those.
Here we go.
I got ya.
Wait, what?
I got it. Yeah!